Hello, I'm your teacher, Randy League, and welcome to Goodwin English's Short English Lesson. Now we're going to take a look at the phrase, see you again. This phrase often has a little different meaning than most people think when they use it. If you're using this with a friend to say goodbye, you're probably using it a little wrong. See you again is very similar to I hope to see you again. We use it when we don't know when we will meet the person again. So, for example, I ate dinner with Mike. We finished, and now I will go home and Mike will go home. I don't know when I will meet Mike again. So I say, okay, Mike, see you again. If you're simply saying goodbye to your friends, then you can use some of these different phrases. See you. See you later. Later. See you around. Take care. Today we looked at the phrase, see you again. This is often used incorrectly. It is very similar to, I hope to see you again. We use this when we don't know when we will see the person again. If you just want to say a normal goodbye, you can use these phrases. See you. See you later. Later. See you around. Take care. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to help us, please go to our Patreon page and become a supporter. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.